Good night, everyone. My name is Kadirnya Permana. On this occasion, I would like to make a review an Indonesian novel entitled Ateis, written by Acidat K. Miharja. This novel was first published in 1949 and is widely known as one of the most controversial and courageous works in modern Indonesian literature. The controversy comes from its bold discussion of faith, reason, and human thought, topics that were considered sensitivities at the time. The novel Atheist is not merely a fictional story. It presents a deep reflection on religion, rationality, and the search for personal identity. Because of these themes, the novel, however, behind its complexity, Atheist contains strong intellectual value and invites readers to think critically about life and belief. The story centers on the main character named Hasan, a young man who grew up in a religious and traditional family. Since childhood, Hasan has been taught to strictly follow religious teaching and obey social norms. Religion plays an important role in his life and becomes the foundation of his value and identity. At the beginning of the story, Hasan lived peacefully, with strong faith and rarely questioned what he believed. However, Hasan's life began to change when he met Anwar, Rusli, and Kartini. These characters represent modern, rational, and critical way of thinking through frequent discussion and close interaction. With them, Hasan is introduced the ideas that challenge religion, question of authenticity of God, and critiques traditional values that were once considered absolute. As Hasan became more involved with these people, he started to experience a crisis of faith. He begins to doubt the religious belief that he has followed all his life. This marks the beginning of the main conflict in the novel, which is Hasan's inner struggle. He is torn between maintaining his religious faith and accepting new ideas that promise freedom of thought and rational explanation. This internal conflict caused Hasan to feel restless, confused, and emotionally unstable, uh, allowing reader to enter his mind and feel his anxiety, doubt, and emotional suffering. One of the strengths of atheist lies in its psychological depth. The author successfully show how strong environmental influences and social interaction can shape and even change a person's belief. Many readers may find Hasan's struggle relatable, especially those who have experienced doubt or confusion in their own life. In terms of language, the novel uses a serious reflection and psychological style. Some parts may be challenging to understand, especially for readers who are not familiar with philosophical discussion. However, this writing style allows the author to express complex ideas clearly and meaningfully. The main theme of atheist is the conflict between faith and reason. It is important to note that this novel does not aim to encourage readers to become atheists. Instead, it illustrates how doubt can arise when a person is not fully prepared to face new ideas and strong external influences. One important message conveyed by the novel that in environment and social relationship greatly influences a person's way of thinking. In addition, the novel teaches that the search for identity is a difficult process. Every individual has a unique journey in understanding life and belief. In my opinion, the strength of atheism lies in its courage to discuss sensitive, sensitive issue and its deep character development. Meanwhile, its weakness is the heavy language, which requires reader to focus more while reading. In conclusion, Atheist by Achiat K. Miharja. This novel teaches us not to judge others easily and remind us that every human has a complex and meaningfully intellectual journey. Alright everyone, that's all my review about novel entitled Atheist. Thank you.